everyone and welcome. So today I am coming on to show you what I got in my craft kit from Andrea the Colombian crafter here on YouTube. I will link the video that she released where she went through what is inside the craft kits, but as they're all unique, I thought I would come on and share the one that I purchased. And yeah, I'm super excited. I had a little nosy peek because I've had it a couple of days now. I've not been able to do anything really because current situation, and hopefully my chair arrives today. I've got no chair. Well, I have a chair. I'm sat on a chair, okay? But I feel like a toddler because my kids have been fiddling around with it. They've broken the gas thing. It's like squatted all the way down to the floor. I'm raised up on pillows. It's not a comfortable situation to craft. So I am, I'm not being able to craft, but fingers crossed my chair comes today. So I'm just wanted to come on quickly to share with you my craft kit and what I got from Andrea, because honestly, when I saw what she was putting together, I was like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. And then I'm like, now I can be like Andrea. Like I can craft like Andrea. It's a big wish though, isn't it? She is amazing. She's an awesome crafter. I absolutely love her stuff. And I can't believe I've had to tear through that bee. That upset me. Okay, so I don't think this is part of it. I think this is kind of like a thank you card. I love that bee paper that's in there as well. That is so cute. Right, let me just move this out of the way so we can actually see what we've got in here. So we've got some of these really cute pink, I like iridescent, I was gonna say glitter, but it's not, it's iridescent pink flowers, these lovely pale yellow, this beautiful flower die cut. We've got a glitter butterfly, another die cut of a leaf and a flourish, this beautiful bee sticker. Oh, it's so cute. It's gorgeous. Oh, I have this die, but so much better. It is so much better when you get them gifted to you. I love that. And I love the holographic. Oh, and then another little, I love the holographic wings. Oh my gosh, that is giving me inspiration right there. So that is absolutely beautiful. I mean, that's just, I think that's just like a thank you, like for buying sort of, like, I don't know. This isn't the actual craft bag. This is what she showed. I'm going to put everything back at the minute because I just feel like instead of putting it into my stash, which is what I normally do with like craft stuff like this, I think I might just keep it all together and just be like, I feel like doing what Andrea does today. So I don't know. No, I'm just being weird. Okay, so let's actually get into it. So like I said, I did start to open this and I was like, nope, I want to open this. Look at this paper already. Oh, it's so cute, right? I was like, no, I can't touch any of this. I need to do a video. So we've got papers, some larger papers. Ooh. And this, it feels textured. Like it's not, I don't think. It's kind of. Feel that. That kind of texture. Love it. Look at that. It's like watercolor. Ooh, love that. I love me a black and white gingham. Very nice. And then this is more heavier cardstock with cute little blue flowers, and then these are like leaves with the pink holographic. So pretty. And then okay, so we have some of those. Some of these. Oh, okay, these are the loose items. Let's look at the loose items. So we have two butterflies. I got big purple one. It's BTS in it. Anything purple. Anything purple is BTS. And then, oh, look at this one. It's a gorgeous rainbow one. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Andrea loves butterflies. She must have heaps. I don't do its wings like that. Oh, look at that. Such a pretty butterfly. And then we've got some trims. Oh, we've got a blank tag. Very nice. God, I feel like Andrea needs to like do like some project thing now or something, because I need something. I got some trims. Oh, this is, I can't stop touching it. It's the softest thing ever. It's wool, but it's like not like, oh, normal. It's like a sheep. That is wool. Oh, it's really fluffy. That's what I say. And this is really soft. What is this? Oh, I'm gonna have to unwind something. Oh, that's not unwinded. Look at that though. And it's all like ombre with browns and greens and purples. I don't ever see anything like this. It's so pretty. And then this is like eyelash trim with this beautiful metallic pink and blue and white. Oh, so pretty. And I love how she's put that on a little tag as well. So cute, right? Okay, and then, oh, let's go through the papers first. So we get like journaling stuff. So we have, oh, a book page. See, I always get distracted by this because I start like reading stuff, but I don't know. I don't think that's a book. We're given the map. Oh my gosh! It's Dorset. Oh my gosh, guys. We are going on another little crafty get together, and we are going to Bournemouth where Alex is. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We're gonna have to make a journal now. Going to have to make a journal now of our trip. Look at that. Somerset, that's where Leslie is. So that's where I went in October. I am all the way over here. In Cheshire, where the cheese is from. List of illustrated. No, shut up. Miss Jessie. Oh my gosh, my great nana. That's who I'm named after, Jessie. No. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, that's just giving me chills. What's this? Don Juan? Oh, Don Juan. Oh, hello. Okay, that is all French. Don Juan. Yeah. Zanzibar. Stamps, I think these are. It's a book of, does this exist? Gibbons Stamp Monthly. The Big Gibbons. Why does that sound so funny in my head? Oh my god, I get so excited about these things. Article or kind of material. What is this? It's obviously a tag. Inventory tag. For what though? Ooh. Not a morgue one, is it? That'd be bad. Oh, sheet music. Wonder what song that's from. Could play it. Play half of it. Find out. What's my legs? Oh, it's a kid's book. Skip and Hop. Once upon a daydream in a place called Windy Top, there lived two merry squirrels. Their names were Skip and Hop. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. And it's like, I don't know, it's like an elfy kind of person, isn't it? We should read on and find out. And oh, vellum. I love vellum. And it's got lovely hearts on it. Yesterday was Valentine's Day. Oh, came so fast, didn't it? Oh, look at that beautiful, like, meadow flowers. It's very countryside, very. It's lovely yellow. And then we've got, oh, napkins. Pink bubble cards as prompt as napkins. Hearts. Very nice. I love it. I love the black and white. Do you know what? I'm going to have to do a tour soon, because this is like, apart from the hearts, this is my wallpaper. I love black and white stripes. I've got all Beetlejuice in here. I've only got one wall to do. So once I've done my one wall, I will do another tour. Oh, space. Yay. I love space. Love it. Oh, something tropical. I'm so waiting for the summer now. Should we just skip everything, just go to summer? I'm waiting for this weather to cheer up a bit. Oh, another map. Reading, Early and Shinfield. No idea where that is. Probably London-ish, maybe. Reading. I think London Road. Yeah. I think I've been to Reading once. Lovely. Oh, look at this. Very first glance I thought bunnies, but no, they're leaves. They're sparkly, very sparkly leaves on a string. Maybe not a string, but it's a string to me. Very pretty. Just amazing. I love how she's put that together. Very interesting thing. Like, literally things I wouldn't have. And I have been like, I won lovely journal from Claire Cartwright. I think these all fit right in there. I need to get going with some journaling, I think, because I've got all the means now. This is an amazing kit. I think, how much was it? 10. I paid $12.99 and with the postage. Let's just say that. So, oh, pretty things inside. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Let's go. Oh my gosh. So many things. Okay, so we have, Andrea loves to collect these, so she must have loads. So these are, I remember she saying like, oh, she was so blown away by shaped paper clips. So she must have millions now. Look at them. That's so cute. A bike and a light bulb. Genius on a bike. We all know who that is. If you know, you know. Sorry, he's right here. Andrea gifted me this, so he's right here. Yeah. Move on. Look at these. Look at this. Just look at this beautiful bedazzled leaves. Look at them. And the stickers as well. Oh my gosh. Wow. I love them. So nice. Oh, we've got some wax seals. So we've got this. Oh my god, look at that oval shape with that rose. Beautiful colour. Gorgeous. And then this one says thank you in the most beautifulest font. The lotus flower. I love the colours. Oh, we've got some die cutty things. Should we just go through that? There's so much. Oh my god, I thought this might be like a small video. I don't think it is, guys. Buckle in. We've got these tiny bits of vellum. Madeline. All French though. Can't read it. Something happened on March 1889. Very nice. Some little butterflies. Lovely. Another bit of book page. Love this vellum. Yeah, definitely can't read that. No idea. Oh, another wax seal. Look at that. It's a gramophone with gold. Oh my gosh. This is just oh, I've got another leaf. Oh, this is awesome. I think I might get very, very hyperactive today. I feel it. It's in the bones. You're probably all thinking, you already are, Jessica. Calm down, calm down. Okay, I want to show you everything. So, let's go on. Okay, there's some flowers, die cut beautiful flowers in beautiful pastel colours. And they have leaves, really beautiful pastel green leaves. Then we've got this like material flowers, like burlappy. Very nice. Beautiful pink iridescent pearls. Oh, we have this applique. I'm trying to think of words. This is very hard for me. And then we have a couple of stickers. Oh my gosh, so cute. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. See how the mood just changed then? Okay, so we have a raccoon, which I love because I used to call Leah my panda bear, but now I've turned her into a raccoon because she's always taking food in the middle of the night. And there were some beautiful plants. So we've got this beautiful yellow, these potted plants, and then we have some like coffee and notebook stickers. But look, guys, look what we've got here. Penguins. see, see, I said I need to calm down. Mission complete. Penguins. It's not Andrea's fault. They just find me. It's fine. And then we have these beautiful flower. These are like, they've got like what are they called? Transparent background. So really good for adding to things. So beautiful flowers, like proper wildflowers, leaves. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at that blue flower. Red berries, pink flower, leaves. Oh, lovely. I don't know what that's called. I think is that lavender? I don't know. Oh, I got another burlap. And then we have these very transparent stickers. Oh, I found another flower. Try escape. So it's gonna be hard to show you these things. I'll try to put it on my skin. It's like a jar, and then you can like put things in it. So cool. And these are stickers, I think. I'm not sure. Maybe not. And then look at these ones. They're actually holographic. So pretty. This one is like lace and a butterfly. This one is a bow. Oh, I'm just moving my boards around a lot today. Moon and crystals. I'm loving it. And then another bow. I'm obsessed with the moon. Another moon, but like it looks like a ballerina. Am I holding that right? Like a ballerina shoe. And then two more frames. So we've got this one with the roses. Oh, no, not two more. That one. And then this is a jar. Another jar. Absolutely beautiful. And if that wasn't enough, guys, this pack is a lot. So what I'm going to do, because I do need to calm down, I'm going to speed through this one and play some nice music. These were some of the absolutely beautifulest pieces of ephemera I have ever seen, and nor do I have anything like this. Absolutely gorgeous. And also, don't worry about the penguins. I have a penguin sanctuary. It's called Cheryl Simone, so they'll be happily going sent to her. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.